Nobody cares about a natural disaster until the lights go out and it's too late. So how do you get power from your generator into your house? Let me show you a really cool product that we've got. It's called a GenerLink. And this little device basically fits between your power meter and your power box. You essentially pop the meter off, insert this adapter, pop the meter back on, and within 10 minutes, it's installed, ready to go. I'm going to remove the rubber cap, snap this guy on, and you're hooked up. You can now power your entire house from your generator from this little adapter right here. What is the benefit of having a GenerLink? So many times people will get their generator, they'll hook it up, running extension cords through the windows and everything else. Or if you have a traditional transfer switch, the problem with that is a lot of them are pre-wired. So if you have a circuit that is set up for your refrigerator or your furnace, and then 5 years down the road, you get another refrigerator or something changes, you can no longer divert that power to where you need it because everything's been wired. So you have to rewire your transfer switch. The cool thing about the GenerLink is that it powers your entire house. Now you can walk inside, flip off the breakers you don't need, flip on the breakers you want, and you've got power where you need it, when you need it. If you want to learn more about the GenerLink, visit hutchmountain.com. The fine folks here will be happy to help you out.